Nothing like getting baptized in a waterfall. Lord, it feels so amazing. Woo. This is Sahalie Falls. I think I'm pronouncing it wrong, but I was initially content on filming from a distance, and then I was able to take a picture remotely on my clicker, and so glad I got closer because this is amazing. Woo. If you've never been baptized with nature, it's a wonderful feeling. I gotta clear my lens off in a few minutes here, but this is just heaven on earth. And there's a blue waterfall on top of that, so I just love it. Excuse the raindrops on my camera, but it's worth it. I think this is gonna be my first viral moment on TikTok. Best feeling in the world. My favorite waterfall ever in the world. This is my second waterfall of the day. The first one was, I think, Sahalie Falls, and this is Sahalie Falls. Oregon. Lord. Lord, Lord, Lord. Blessings, blessings, and blessings. If you haven't subscribed, definitely do so. And let's see if this gets me my first viral moment on TikTok and YouTube. Because this here, woo, Lord. Can't hardly see right now. Oh my Lord. Heaven must be like this. Man. I love it.